English Grammar, Grade 4, Unit 1, Sentences. Over fox, brown, dog, lazy, jumps, quick. This makes no sense. Ah, a quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Now it makes sense. So, what is a sentence? A group of words that make complete sense and expresses a thought is called a sentence. We use sentences when we speak, read, and write. All sentences begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamatory mark. Let's learn each type of sentence in detail. There are 4 types of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and imperative sentence. Assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that states or declares something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. It always ends with a full stop. Examples: Mark went to the supermarket with his mom. All the students agreed to play a friendly match. Tina completed her assignment on time. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is an interrogative sentence. It always ends with a question mark. Examples: Why were you late for class today? How much time does it take to reach the station? Can you lend me your red pen, please? Exclamatory sentence. When a sentence expresses a strong feeling, it is called an exclamatory sentence. It always ends with an exclamation mark. Examples: Oh no, we lost the match. What a beautiful painting. How fast he runs. Imperative sentence. When a sentence gives an order, command, request, or suggestion, it is called an imperative sentence. It always ends with a full stop. Examples: Please give me a glass of water. Shut the door. Let's watch a movie. Exercise 1. Put the correct punctuation mark after each sentence and say whether they are assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, or imperative. The sun was shining brightly. This is an assertive sentence, and so we will end it with a full stop. Why were the dogs barking? This is an interrogative sentence, so we will end it with a question mark. Wow, what a beautiful house! This is an exclamatory sentence, and so we will end it with an exclamation mark. Please shut the door. This is an imperative sentence, and so we will end it with a full stop. Who is the monitor of the class? This is an interrogative sentence, and so we will end it with a question mark. Let us play a game. This is an imperative sentence, and so we will end it with a full stop. Here's an exercise for you to solve. Put the correct punctuation mark after each sentence and say whether they are assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, or imperative. Write the answers in the comment section below. Susie was waiting for the lift. Why don't you get a drink? Help! I'm drowning! Who rescued the ant? Lion roared with anger. Don't eat too much fried food. Hurry up, or we'll be late. Jerry bought a storybook from the store. Let's visit the bird park today. Oh no, not again. Hey, this video was made just for you. If you've liked it, do give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you have a question, I'll be happy to answer it. You can also leave a comment and question down below. Thank you. Bye bye.